Hey guys, and on today's item shop, we still have Street Serpent Pack right here, ready to go. However, we do have a pretty cool skin that just came out. It's this one right here, which does include this harvesting tool and a pretty awesome backpack. And we've also got a male version with the back bling, which is pretty cool. And let's not forget about the harvesting tool. Next up, we've got Jelly that was introduced in Chapter 2, Season 1 with its awesome backpack. And yes, introduced in Season 9, we've got this right here. Plus, the dark skin is also back, which was introduced in Season 3, with the perfect backlink to go along with it. Finally, a pretty cool harvesting tool. Last but not least, all our emotes, which does include this one, plus Eagle. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to sign up for that giveaway coming right up.